Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Smart Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this device. To turn on this smart band you will need a couple of things. First thing you will need is the charging cable that was provided with your smart band. Basically we need to turn on the smart band we need to plug it to a charger, and once it receives the power it will turn on automatically. That's why you need the charging cable. Of course you need some kind of power source. It could be laptop, maybe computer with the USB port, or a charging brick. I have this extension cable that is plugged into the charging brick and I'm gonna use that. So I'm gonna basically plug this to this extension cord, and it's gonna provide the power. So our smart band is turned off. If we tap on the screen nothing happens, and to turn it on we need that cable like I said, and we need to take this USB end, because there's two ends of the cable. There is this with two pins and the USB end. We need to use the USB end to plug it to the power source. So I'm gonna plug it to this extension cord right here. Okay, now we need to take this other end with the two pins, pick up our smart band, and on the back of your smart band you have this you have two pins basically, and you need to align your plug with the pins, and just it's gonna snap on because it's magnetic. And once it snaps on, after a second or two you will see the Xiaomi logo and it's gonna start turning on. And as you can see we're back in the system, and that's how you turn on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.